20. 5 times the number decreased by 12 is equal to 28. 5 times the number, let n para sa number na yan, decreased by means minus 12. Again, 5 times the number, ito yan siya, decreased by 12 means minus 12, is equal to 28. So, ito naman is equal to 28. Para makuha natin yung value ni n, which is ito naman yung hinahanap, what is the number, dahan-dahanin na naman natin itong i-transfer. Since pang minus si 12, kapag ito ay matransfer, pang add na sa kabila. So, ang matitira dito ay si 5n. 5n equals 28 plus 12, and this is 40. Tama? Para makuha natin yung n, yung value ni n, since si 5 ay pang-multiply, pang-divide. 40 divided by 5, this is 8. What is the number? It is 8.